But it makes me wonder where they got this cat fur. This cat looks upset about it.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Celeste. This is Coco and Ryan, and we just got our new Lovevery box in the mail. This is our second one, I think, for 7 months. She'll be 7 months 4 days from now. And we're about to unbox it for the first time and see what's in it. And this one is pretty excited, aren't you? This is not sponsored by Lovevery. We did pay for this. And yeah, if you enjoy this video or find something of value here, make sure to give the video a thumbs up because that definitely helps other people find me. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. I make motherhood videos and I make videos about minimalism and about style. And if you have kids, comment and let me know what is your favorite thing about this stage. She's 7 months, so around this time, let me know what's your favorite thing that babies do when they're this age.
Okay, you go.
You ready to get to the toys?
Yeah.
Let's do it!
Ooh, the inspector.
The inspector. So here's
Oh.
how the box is looking. Lots of stuff in there. And it comes with this to talk you through what's inside the box. It kind of shows you the order, I guess, of development.
This is your treasure basket, Coco. It's got soft balls and hard balls. What'd you think?
Ooh.
I bet Audrey would like that.
A basket? And it has like felt balls and
Wood
I don't
balls.
know what these are made out of, but this one is wood. So like all of these different materials. Yeah. And you can learn how balls roll and stuff. That's cool. Into it.
Well, she's a
She's gonna put it all in her mouth.
ball
There's
drop
this big
box.
box.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Coco.
What happens?
That was loud. She looked at me like, what?
What about this one? Oh, I guess these aren't made for the ball drop.
Whoop. Wouldn't you?
What about that? So a lot of times with the last kid, I remember a lot of the toys she wasn't quite ready to play with all the way yet, which is cool, I thought, because she kind of like aged into them. Like she had this color wheel spinner thing. And at the time, she just enjoyed looking at it when she was on tummy time. She wouldn't reach for it yet. But then by the time the 2-month period that it's made for is up, they're playing with them like in the full way. So it's kind of something to get the full use out of the toy and kind of like watch them grow into it, which is really cool, I think.
And some toys are winners, and some toys are...
What toy that she got before was a loser? I feel like she likes all of them.
The Kleenex one she struggles with. So.
Oh yeah, she still struggles to get the, there's like fabric scarves in this wooden box. I'm sure she'll enjoy it when she's a little older, but yeah, this one came for 5 months. And
see, it's like a magic trick.
yeah, and she's still not fully on board with it. She struggles to pull them out.
Yeah.
Don't you, baby? Yeah. Okay, what else have we got? We have these cups, which I believe are for the bath. We just had a bath today.
Oh yeah, I was thinking that bath needs cups. They're called nesting, stacking, drip drop cups.
Yeah, so they have, all of them have different holes. Like this has 4 and then this has like a whole bunch. So she can fill them with water and watch how the water comes out at like a different rate or in different shapes, I guess.
First puzzle, yeah.
Ooh, and it has a... Yeah, it's a challenge for adults to open it. It has a picture of a baby. So it's got somebody's random baby in there.
She likes babies.
So, is your baby? This has that.
Let's see if she plays it.
What do you think? Can you get it? Can you pick it up? Good job! Look, there's a baby in there. Yeah, there's a baby. Yeah, so she'll probably start learning how to do something like place that in there within the next 2 months. That's one of the, it looks like on this, one of the more advanced. So I think the way that this little math goes is like they start, and then as they go along the 2-month period, they get progressively more advanced toys.
That baby's happy you found him.
So like the one this one starts with, it looks like, is this Things I See texture cards. Just like, this is really, oh wow, okay, that's cool. So this has like shoes, and it has like actual shoelaces on it that you can touch. You can touch those. And then this has like actual knitting on that hat, and a furry cat. The other side have things that don't have texture.
She's touching the shoes.
So yeah, so you got the basketball one, that's cool. It's got that perfect basketball texture. I think it's neat because like some of the textures are they're real specific to these actual things. Like the knitting is actual knitting and the basketball is like actual basketball.
It feels good.
Whereas I feel like a lot of her, like her touch books are pretty much just like furry or smooth. Yeah. They don't have so many different.
They bought a lot of scraps, but it makes me wonder where they got this cat fur. This cat looks upset about it. It's a scared cat. Man, what else did we get, Coco?
What else did we get, Coco? Got a book. My First Signs. That's cool. Please eat, drink milk more. See, we've shown you this one before, remember? Do you remember this one anymore? More? So this, like, yeah, she's a little young for this. We just started showing her more and all done. But I think this is pretty young to start. So we'll see when she's able to like recognize or make them herself. All done. Help. Thank you. Book. Oh, book would be a great one in bed. Book would be a great word for you to know. That's cool. So that's good. That's a good book. This is more like a book for adults, I feel like, because like baby isn't gonna understand the arrows.
No.
Like this isn't a book I would read to her. It's more like a book I would consult myself.
It's got a really cute family in it.
Yeah. They all come with this like play guide, which is has like information on each of the toys. Like I think a lot of them are self-explanatory, but it kind of tells you like what skills it works on, and it tells you like different ways to play with the toys based on whether they're 7 or 8 months old. So it's kind of like beginning and into advanced.
Where'd the ball go? Is it under the box?
Where'd the ball go?
This box is just to take up space in the packaging.
Right, it's just packaging. The daddy made it into a game.
Oh, and here's what we got. What is this? This is heavy duty.
A drinking cup.
Oh, you think you could drink from that? You want to drink from that?
You gonna learn how to drink from that?
It's like, it's going to be great when I throw it on the ground. So you know how to drink from it already? You already know what you're doing? Oh yeah, I would not spill this. Yeah, she already knows what to do with it. How'd you learn to drink?
Look at her with her tongue. Oh my god, put some water in that right now. I bet she probably
Will
spill
spill
over
it,
herself
but
and get wet.
we'll try.
Does Daddy want to bring your bib in here so you won't get wet? You want to spill water all over yourself? Just spill it on your bib. Daddy's not even listening to me.
No, I just.
Yep, there.
Classic.
There it goes. I mean, she's getting some. Right.
Too much. Too much.
It's too much. Oh, she's so wet.
Yeah, that had a hole and a bunch of milk on it anyway.
Okay, well, we gotta change. Anything else? Okay, that's it. All done.
All done.
All done.
Are you trying to grab all 3 balls at once? Gotta catch them all. She really is.
Yeah. She's like, I don't have enough hands for this toy. Nailed it. Don't do it. I never.